What's up, family? Welcome to another edition of the Grilling Oasis. Today we're going to do a beef brisket. You know, we like our brisket. So what we did was we took this is about a 3-pound brisket, and we soaked them overnight in some marinade we created. And just kind of let the juices soak in pretty good. So now we're building us a fire. We're going to wrap this up in some foil and create a pouch. And we're going to let them smoke. We're going to use the BBQ Pit smoker today. So I'm going to show you how we do it. All right. See you in a minute. All right. So what we did was we took out our brisket and we put on our 4 favorite seasonings. Y'all check the blog. Make sure you get that. And now we're going to make a pouch with it so that the smoke will get into it. So we want to cook it about 1 hour per pound. So this is about 3 hour cook. We're going to do it at 250. So let's wrap it up right quick and create us a hole. So as you see, we made us a pouch out of aluminum foil, and we kind of made it so that the smoke will get in there and cook it nice and slow. And now we're going to put it on the grill. So you see we set it inside the barrel, and now we're going to set the barrel on top of the fire, and we're going to let it smoke. So now we got the brisket on the fire. We got a nice pouch. We're going to cover it up. We're going to let it cook for about 3 hours. We'll come and check on the temperature throughout, but we cooking it on the barrel house vertical cooker. A very nice smoker. We did a video on it, kind of reviewed it on the blog. Go check out the blog to get some specs on this. But this is a very nice smoker, so we're gonna let it cook for about 3 hours. We'll come and check on it in a little while. What's up, family? It's about halfway through, about 1 hour and 15 minutes. We just checked the internal temperature. So we get around 165. We want to close up the wrapping and let it finish cooking to get around 200. So let's check that temp. Yeah, it's about 165, so that's good. We're just gonna wrap it up now, and we're gonna let it finish cooking for the rest of the time. All right, fam. So as you can see, we wrapped it up in foil. So that's going to give a nice and insulated finish for it. And we're just going to set the top back on, let it finish cooking. All right, fam. All right, fam. So it's been about 3 hours now. I see our temperature still holding around 200, which is good. So we're going to check stick it in there and see if it's around 200. Yeah. It's 210. So it's good and ready to go. So we're gonna get it all, stick it in a cooler, let it rest. So what we did, we got a blanket, we wrapped up the brisket, and we set it in the blanket. We're gonna close it up. We're gonna let it rest for about 1 hour, and then it should be ready to cut and eat. All right, fam, so we let it rest. So now we're going to take the foil off. Look at all that juice. That lets you know it cooked well. Very good. It's gone. That smells really good. Really good. So we're just going to take it apart. Oh yeah. Look how nice and tender it looks. We're gonna cut a piece. Cut a piece of that there. Oh, very tender. Very tender. Look at that. Taste it. That's that fire. Alright, fam. See you next time on the Grilling Oasis.